Uh, so today I'm with another video. So today's video might be get interesting. I don't know how, but जिस चीज़ की मैं बहुत तलाश कर रही थी वो फाइनली मुझे मिल गई. Guess what? Yes, I know you found क्योंकि टाइटल पे लिखा हुआ है साफ साफ YouTube के टाइटल में obviously. So I was searching. I was been searching for a while for this product, and the product name is Two Facet Natural Love Pellet. So मैंने बहुत से कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स करने इसमें कि बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हैं दोस्तों से घरवालों से और रिलेटिव्स से. तो वन टू बाय तो मैंने क्या किया डबल कर दिया. लेट्स गेट इनटू इट.
Baby, I'm nothing more than nothing, brighter than the light. Don't you want anything from me? You say I'm something more than something, brighter than the light. Don't you give up your life? Here I stay, right, just for better days. Every day you might wonder if this is my place. Where's my way? It's kundalini ground. All the 무너지는 중력, louder than bells, yeah. I want to tell you. 어둠은 말해 어디라도 있단 게 두려워 말해. 어떤 밤이 날 삼켜도 난 포기하지 않아. No, we are fine, we're shine.
너와 나 함께 느껴
Let's press water.
함께 느껴
Press water. Then you know what, guys? The moment arrived. I was so excited.